How does a data warehouse actually work under 60 seconds? This is system design, part 1. A data warehouse uses a clean first approach. Things come from your API or CRM or any other database, and then you clean them first, and then you put them the way that you want in your data for your schema, however you want. So this is how the data comes here, and then it comes here at the end where you save them however you want. But the problem is that this whole process comes at a cost. If later you did decide that I don't like this schema, it sucks, I don't want it, and I want to change mine, then you have to change all your data again, you have to reprocess, and this takes lots of computational power that's maybe not everyone can actually afford that. Now things are different with data lake. So instead of actually cleaning the data, you just put them the way that you want, and then later when you start using them, you change them according to your schema or however you want. You only process the data that you want when you need them, not all the time, and use them later. And the good thing about using data lake is that if you are using machine learning, you can tweak your neural network, you can tweak the activation function, and you don't have to process the data again. Like it's crazy. Damn. And then comes the data mesh, which is like how every department in the company is control of their own data. So imagine that there is a financial department that only controls the financial data without having developer to maintain it for them. And also the same thing happens with sales. But there's a big but here, that there can be duplication between these things, because financial can have things that are duplicated from sales and so on and so on. You can say that most companies actually use a mix between all of these three approaches, but it's about balancing them, because the more that the system gets bigger, the more maintenance you have to do for that. If you did like this video, please follow so I can keep making content like this, and I hope that you did like it. Thank you.